Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat app. You will click on settings and you will enter. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of PatPat and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We will search about the application of PatPat. If you find update, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget